Nice.
On the ball. Yeah.
Now you have capacity for one full face.
Wow.
Expanded.
How much the price?
It is
Ito naman yung carbon. Edge 38 expandable. Edge 59X. Yan. You can span also. This one, how to expand. Okay. So meron siyang lock doon.
Actually, this is already expanded. This one.
Ayun. So pwede mong ibaba, no?
Yes. So this is the
Ayun.
normal one.
This is the smaller one, and then if you expand, sige nga sir, pakita mo yung expand. Ayun, so lumaki dito, nag-expand sa doon. Kasya bang helmet na ano dito?
Full face.
Full face. So guys, that's a setup for the shot, no? Ayan. SS38X expandable panniers and top box. So nakita naman nyo yung pagkakagawa niya, no? So very good. Saka ito, ang presyo nito overall almost 60,000. Retail price na yan. So available this coming May pa. So merong carbon na yung kanyang color. Ayan. Expandable siya. Pwede mong ibaba. Ayan, no? Binaba niya. So yan yung pinaka-normal. Pagka in-expand mo. Ayan. Merong lock dun sa loob. Ayan, yung pula. Yun, iangat mo lang. Yan yun. O, diba? So, mas cute tignan pag hindi naka-expand eh. Ito medyo bulky na yung dating niya.
walang lakakan niya. Yung name
So, if you want some shot pannier bags, tank bag, and top box there. So, meron na rin siyang foam, no? And expandable.
Separate accessory.
Separate accessories. Okay. Backrest, separate pa pala to. So, you have to purchase also yung ano. So, kung gusto mo na may backrest, bili na rin para maganda sa passenger.
Sir, 7,000.
7,000 pesos. Including na yung ano. Okay.